279. Culture versus Faith. Chalcedon Report number 417, April 2000. One of the problems of our times is a false faith in culture. To illustrate, I have known more than a few humanistic parents who have been horrified by the vicious delinquencies of their children. Given the, quote, good, end quote, family background, home and environment, how could their son or daughter be so, quote, insanely, end quote, delinquent? Their error is to assume that good character is inherited. They will cite the good character of grandparents and great-grandparents, the good environment and schooling, and they assume some freakish circumstance to be responsible. They are environmental, not Christian, in their analysis. As Christians, we do not believe that we are the primary source of character in our children. God is. If we assume that we are playing God. Character is a religious product. It can and must be supplemented by family, church and school, but without the Lord it does not exist. This means that public schools and many churches are off base. The reason more youth are not delinquent is, as one teenager confessed to a friend, I don't have the guts to do what blank is doing. His condition was cowardice, not character. Education is important, but modern man too often substitutes education for Christ and the faith. As a result, we see cultural decay on all sides. Henry Van Til observed, culture is religion externalized. The common externalized religion is humanism. As Christians, we do not believe that we are the primary source of character in our children. God is. If we assume that we are playing God. Today, too many in the church expect the state school to provide character for their children, an illusory hope. Character comes from the faith, through the home and the church. Rearing children means far more than providing them with food, clothing and shelter. Chalcedon has done much to further strong families in Christian education. We do not believe that good character is an automatic product, but a Christian one. We must apply our faith to child rearing and education. This is our calling.